To turn on classic toolbars in AutoCAD, you need to locate a ACAD.CUIX file to import toolbars from it. Type in command line, findfile ACAD.CUIX. AutoCAD will return the path to that file. Type CUI command. Go to Transfer tab. In the column on the right side, click Open and navigate to a ACAD.CUIX file. Now drag and drop desired toolbars from the right column to the Toolbars section in the left column and click OK. Your toolbars are now imported. Now we just have to arrange them a little bit. To hide or unhide toolbars, right-click on the Toolbars panel and turn desired ones on or off. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.